Hey, how's it going? This is Dr. Farr. I'm bored and I'm studying 4 boards. So I'm going to take a second to draw out 3 things that are typically on our tests that you need to cram in a day before your in-training exam or your board exam. First one is statistics, sensitivity, specificity, positive predictive value, negative predictive value. Here's the way that I do it. Start with the box. Get your positive and negatives. Gold standard. Test side. The rest of these fill in the boxes are intuitive. So true positive, true negatives. This will be a false positive on the test. This will be a false negative. And then we have to know first that positive predictive values have to do with all the positives. Negative predictive values have to do with all the negatives. This will be sensitivity and this will specificity. So if you can draw that out and realize that the equations that you're using are here and here, here and here, that'll get you a lot of questions correct. Next up, brachial plexus. This is how I do it. Sorry, normally 3 lines and then chevron X, chevron X, marmu at the end. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, up, down, 1. So this will be your long thoracic nerve, this will be your dorsal scapular, supraspinatus nerve to subclavius. We'll go medial pectoral, lateral pectoral. These ones have a little bit of a aesthetic to them in terms of being 2, 3, 4 letters. These are your subscap, lower, middle, upper, median, axillary, radial, musculocutaneous, axillary, radial, median, and your ulnar. Next up, what am I forgetting? Pelvic incidence, the worst. So spine is the pits. So remember that. Pelvic incidence equals talar tilt plus sacral slope. Spine is the pits. Let's draw a circle. That's all we need. Now we can go our first one, and our major one is the pelvic incidence, which is a line here, then a line perpendicular to that S1 body. And then we know our next 2 are on a horizontal relative and a vertical relative. So this angle will be your slope. We've already done pelvic incidence. This angle on a vertical will be your tilt. There you go. Those are 3 things that are rather annoying, but hopefully you can be able to draw that out right when you get started on your test and have that as a reference. Bye-bye.